Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on the Dairy Queen Little Blizzard Friends, the original Blizzard, only at Dairy Queen. These look so cool. They actually look like the real thing. So let's get started. So we're going to start with this is what the thing looks like. Yeah, this is the front, and this is the back. You can collect 24 in all. That's a lot. I really want all of them. And yeah, so the top just popped off suddenly. So that's that. So it comes with one accessory. Let me see what that one is. It's so hard to open. Ooh, looks like a nice pretty dress. I love the stripes. Let me put that right. And this is the doll. Whoa, she looks really cute. Wow. I need to see what her name is. But, Well, it looks like her name is Summerberry, right down here. Nice. So this is what she looks like. She has a beautiful dress on. I really love the top of her head. It looks like an ice cream sandal. It looks so cool. On to the next one. Okay. Where's the tab? Oh, there it is. Good. Open. Oh, looks like this one comes with 2 mini bags. Wow. Alrighty, so let's open this. Whoa, this looks like another beautiful dress with red stripes and like green creases around the. Here's the next one. It's a little hard. Oh, it looks like it's a ponytail. Wow. A lot of red hair. And here is the doll. This is what she looks like. Ooh, she's pretty. There's actually another ponytail here. I didn't even know. Wow, she looks so pretty, like a strawberry. I love strawberries. This is what she looks like, so let's get her dressed. So this is what she looks like. Now we're gonna put her pigtails on. Wow, she looks really pretty. So, let's see. Her name is, Strawberry Sweetie. Wow, she looks so cute. Nice. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. They look so cute. Bye.